Hello everybody, got a video here I wanted to do on screen repair, how to change your screen out. I've got one here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has a hole in it there and several different spots on it where it's bad. So I want to change it out. I wanted to do the video and show you guys how to do it. But all there is to it, they got a spline around them, which is a little rubber band like that presses down in it. You have to take a little screwdriver or something and get it started up out of there. And they just pull out. And you just take, after you get that out, you can get your screen started out there and work your way around pulling that out. And I actually got some screen spline, which is the little rubber part that goes around it. But I'm going to try to use my own. Sometimes you can do that unless it's really brittle and broke. And I bought some fiberglass screen here. It's a 48 by 84 inch piece. I think I gave around $7 or $8 for it. You'll want to take and lay it down there, and on these here tools, it comes up one side to put the spline down in, and the other side I used to get the screen started in. And you take your spline here and get it started back down. Start in the corners. And you use this tool to just press it right back down in. I usually go back over them a couple times just to make sure I got it pressed down in good. Which you can pick these tools up for about, I think, between $4 or $5, somewhere right around there. Once you get that side done, if you have someone that can help you do these, it makes it a lot easier. But you want to kind of make sure you got your screen pulled tight. That way you don't end up with a lot of loose area on it. I usually take and use a couple little clamps, or I'll take and run it underneath this one like this and use my knee to hold the other side. And take that tool and go down through there and do the same on this side. You may have to use your fingers or a little screwdriver to press the corner down with. This is a pretty simple do-it-yourself project. Save you a lot of money from taking them to the hardware somewhere to get them replaced. Got a corner that don't want to stay down there for me. So we got that pressed in there okay. I ended up with a little extra on the spline here, so take a Stanley knife or some kind of knife and be careful and cut that little extra off. Be careful not to cut your screen and ruin it. Roll your extra back up there. And I usually just take a knife and I'll go along and cut that off, get it out of the way. And you'll want to take a knife and go around the edges. And if you can get a close-up of this, take your knife and kind of go right where the rubber spline is. And cut around there. You'll want to be really careful not to cut into your screen on the outside part here. and we're almost done here. Like I said, this is a really simple job to do. It just got to be careful when you're cutting this part off not to make holes in your screen again, or you'll have to start all over. Got a little piece started coming back up there when I was cutting it. But if you do, you can always take your roller and push it back down in there. But that's all there is to replacing your screen. And like you can see, it's not really loose fitting. It came out pretty good. So don't forget to like my videos, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.